So I now hate this film because not my all-time favorite. And there, now destroy it. Destroy a Spaniel. Destroy Spaniel. And oh yeah, this is destroyed. I'm gonna skip the cover. And now I'm gonna use garbage and garbage. Destroy me out of garbage. And you'll die here forever. No. I'm destroying this TV like the YouTubers. I now hate this film. I now hate it.
Hey, what is it?
A DVD I'm destroying.
No, don't destroy it because you're just wasting money.
It's so destroyed. Fool you.